Okay, Attorney Steve, we're back. Part 2. If you stuck with us this long, you are going to be a legend. You are going to be a business leader and a guru. This is Attorney Steve. We are talking about the top 10 categories created and researched by me that you can create slogans and trade slogans that help you promote and market your brand. We talked about our top 5, which were motivating slogans such as "Just Do It." We talked about trade slogans that propose a concrete benefit, things people want, melts in your mouth, not in your hands. We talked about trade slogans that ask a real question, such as, is it live or is it Memorex? We've talked about number 4, rhetorical questions. Where's the beef? Wendy's. We talked about puns, Moss security. Alarmed? You should be. Now we're moving on in our list of top things. The next category of slogans that I found in my research, working hard for you to bring you the information that helps you grow and build your business, is slogans that challenge you. What does that mean? Slogans that challenge you. Alka-Seltzer, try it, you'll like it. Apple Computer, think different. It challenges you. What? Think different? What do you mean? I will think different. What's this Apple thing? And you know what happened to them. Think outside the bun. Taco Bell. Taco Bell said, they're challenging you. Think outside the bun. You know, it doesn't have to be a burger. Come in and get a burrito. It doesn't have to be a hot dog. Think outside the bun. So that's another category of slogans. Next one I have, number 7, is slogans that make a bold statement. Slogans that make a bold statement. Wheaties, the breakfast of champions. The breakfast of champions. Good one. Budweiser, the king of beers. That's a bold statement. What else do we have here? The ultimate driving machine. BMW, the ultimate driving machine. That's bold. Coca-Cola, it's the real thing. Guess everything else is an imitation. You're in good hands with Allstate. What happens here stays here. Las Vegas, that's a bold statement. I don't even know if that's true, by the way. But bold, talk about marketing, and it shows you that even cities can use slogans and trade names. I mean, it's amazing. So think about it for your business. What does that mean? Nothing outlasts the Energizer. There's another one. So making the bold statement, those are good. Next category, you have just plain funny. Just plain funny category. This is number 8. The one that always hits me is meow 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 meow. Yes, that is a funny trademarkable slogan. So Bounty, the quicker picker upper. That's funny, catchy, unique. They're great. Frosted Flakes, right? Tony the Tiger. What a character. What a trademark. What value they've built into their brand with that trademark. Hey Mikey, he likes it. Do you remember how funny that was? The saying by itself may not have been that funny, but putting the video with it and the brand, genius. Tokiro Taco Bell, the barking Chihuahua. Hilarious, right? So funny trademarks and slogans is my 8th category. My 9th category, things that conjure up strong visuals. Strong visuals. Like the one that comes to mind is finger licking good, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Finger licking good. When you see that red and white bucket and you see that finger licking good, you just darn near have to hop in your car and go to KFC. So that's a great one. It's a slogan that conjures up this strong visual image. And my final category, top 10, rewarding slogans, such as, for all you do, this bud's for you. It's like you deserve some kind of reward and they're going to give it to you. For all you do, this bud's for you. You deserve a break today. We talked about that one, those kinds of things. So that's my top 10 list. If you need help picking a good trade slogan, picking some slogans, that's one thing I do. I've got a few trademarks of my own that I'm working on here, just to give you a few, that I'm going to be applying for trademarks for my brand when your assets are on the line. Call Attorney Steve. That's more the lines of a bold statement. Fondeezy, law made easy. That's where I give video case briefs and documents and pleadings and information out there. That's a concrete benefit category. We talked about that. Attorney Steve, law up my sleeve, trying to get into the funny category. So you see how we're constantly trying to use these different categories for our own company. And you may want to think about having a couple, 1, 2, some of the big brands. You heard McDonald's, I think I had 2 or 3 from McDonald's. So it's okay to have a couple different trademarkable brands. A trademark that proposes a real question. Does your attorney Skype? That proposes a real question. And jingles. We're going to talk about jingles in another audio tape, another Master Your Domain series. But having jingles for your phone number, jingles for different slogans, don't be afraid to try it. We're going to get in depth on that, so check us out, attorneysteveshow.com. You don't want to miss it. Some really important things for you. So that's just a basic overview. I wanted to go over a couple in my field of law, the legal business, some that I thought were pretty catchy. These were law firms coming up with their own names. It's not just business, it's personal. We're at the top of our game. Leaders in the laws of ideas. Thought that was kind of catchy. Attorneys who make things happen. Okay. Problem solved. Technologies, legal edge. All we do is work. I thought this was one of my favorite ones. It's an employment law firm that talked about all we do is work. Kind of catchy, clever, really neat. Okay? So, and here was another one. Briefly speaking, we're the best. I thought that was pretty funny. So, at any rate, this is Attorney Steve. That's a rundown of slogans. If you need creative counsel, someone to help you with your intellectual property ideas, we do a lot of work for brokers, real estate brokers and professionals, trying to develop brands and strategies that differentiate themselves in the marketplace, protecting their trademarks and slogans, and help building and protecting their brands online. This is Attorney Steve. You can find more about me at attorneysteve.net. Or, as I mentioned, don't miss our podcast radio show, Master Your Domain, which you can find at attorneysteveshow.com. We're out. We'll see you again soon. Von Deasy, Law Made Easy.